Yo, what's poppin'? It's your boy, HandofHenri, aka HandofHenri, aka Henry Heck. And this is a unboxing of sorts, or unboxing. You know, I filmed the unboxing of this yesterday, but I sounded like shit, so I was just gonna voice over it today. But I was sounding better today, so I was like, shit, fuck it. I'm gonna just go ahead and just refilm the whole John, and then I'll just put the footage of me busting the box down via. This knife is pretty trash. I'm gonna be honest with you. It was a gift though. You know, it was a gift. It's not really. I gotta sharpen. It's not really sharp at all. So I gotta sharpen it and clean it. This was also a gift. It's pretty cool little situation, y'all. You know, that's what I've been busting boxes down recently. Maybe not called a mishap. Sorry for my ashy dirty hands. I just got off work. But I normally use this John right here. I talked about this before. It's opener number 6. It's French. You feel me? I had this knife for hella long, and it's hella sharp. I actually almost cut. You can kind of see that scar right there on my fingertip, right there. Kind of like I cut my shit hella deep trying to get a cork out of a wine bottle, but I didn't lock the blade in place. So when I went like this, the knife closed down on my shit and I almost clipped my shit off. But anyway, enough about that. This ain't a knife video. This ain't a video about no knives. You feel me? It's not about no knives. You feel me? Anyway, back to the subject at hand. You feel me? I ordered this kit on last Friday, from the TheGundamplacestore. Shout out to the TheGundamplacestore. What that have a look right here. Boom, the boys. They got them in. I got an email, and I also seen it on their Instagram that they got the Juggernauts in. You know what I'm saying? From '86. This show is pretty lit. It's a new show on Crunchyroll, a new anime. And I had started watching it a couple weeks ago. And I said, dang, it'd be dope if they had kits. You know what I mean? To put together of it. You know, just to have. You feel me? Just to have. And lo, well, at this point, fast forward a couple of weeks, was when I got the word that they actually had the kits in. So I hit them up that Thursday night, and asked like about how many did he have and stuff. He's like, nah, man, don't worry about it, man. We got a bunch of them. And I planned on ordering that night, but I had got home, playing with Harlow and other shit, wound up falling asleep. So I ended up ordering it the next morning. And it came in yesterday on Monday, holiday. Yeah, it's Memorial Day. So on a holiday too, because I wasn't even really expecting it until today or Wednesday. And I also got these sanding sponges because I just needed another sanding situation. I got a little file that I never use, and I've been using this sanding stick right here. Just no. I really would like to get some space situations. The boys, Gundam Fan and Carlitrons use those, and just waiting on those to get back in stock so that I may procure them good guys. You feel me? Procure them good guys. You know, so let me go ahead and get this on out of her. That box out of it. Yes. Alright, and I already pre-cut the sticker tab situation to hold the box in place from the earlier video. But here we go. The front of the box, that is the Juggernaut unit right there. You know, with its back mounted high cal semi-auto rifle. You know what I mean? It fires shells. I had a question in the Twitter group yesterday if it was like a beam rifle. It shoots shells. And it's got the front mounted blades and some little machine gun situations right there. And they got 4 legs. For whatever reason, whenever I thought about the unit itself, I always thought it to have 6 legs, even though it really don't. I don't know why. I was wondering, like, but it's like a spider. It moves like a spider, very much like a spider. It's super quick. It may not look like it, but it's super quick. And they also have a grappling hook on them. I can't remember where it is. I'm not even sure the kit actually has a grappling hook on it, but in the show it has a grappling hook, so it, you know, can swing and pull itself about. And then the pilot sits in this part right here, and this is Shin's. This is Shin right here. Because you can see it's got the Undertaker marking right there, the Undertaker. It's like a headless ghost type situation with a shovel. It's a backstory about it. Well, you might watch it. Just watch the show. Watch the show. You'll see. Watch the show. Hella cool. Hella good ass show too. Super good show. But that's pretty much all I know about the kit. I mean, all I know about the units, because it's still a fairly new show. I'm all caught up on all the episodes. But like I said, super lightweight unit. Super quick. This back mounted rifle is super accurate, and from what I see on the show, man, the front mounted blades do work. They do hella work. It's just the armor itself on the actual unit in the show is very, very fragile. You know, they get tore up pretty quick fighting against the Legion. Hopefully we'll get some Legion kit soon. Because when we get some Legion kits, it's a whole bunch of, well, not a whole bunch, it's probably like 5 or 6, maybe not even 5, it's probably like 4 or 5 different variations of Legion, who is, the Legion are the opposition of the Juggernaut. You know, like I said, I don't want to spoil too much. Catch the show if you can. Catch the show if you can. You feel me? But, anyway. This is the kit, the front, you see what I'm saying? So gun mounts. Oh yeah, the grappling hooks on there. You see? Right there. Boom. Those are the grappling hooks. The gun, see the shell that goes into the gun, the front. The logo, high frequency blade. You know. Like a vibration type situation, so it cuts like hella good, you know. See the details in the joints and whatnot. And then you got the M101. These right here in the show, they reload the ammunition for the Juggernauts. As far as I could tell, it's only like one main one, and he pulls like kind of like a train. He pulls like a couple of other ones with him, like attached to him, and they all walk together. It's like to form kind of like a centipede. Seems like whoever created this show is a huge fan of insects. Because, you know, because even the Legion, they all like kind of made and designed like insects. But yeah, these reload the Juggernaut units, and they carry the ammunition and supplies. The rear view right here. I think, hold on, it come with a little base. All right, it come with a little base. Okay, there you go. Your smooth bore cannon, you know, and that's the clip right there. That's the clip. I'm still not too sure about how many shots it actually holds. Over here, all right, we got a little Shin figure to toss off in the cockpit, and then you'll have to paint it yourself, because I seen them. They're not painted. Shin, and this is their handler. I forget her name. Lena. This is their handler. You know, cool. They got a cool little situation going on. It ain't a ship. It ain't a ship, but it's a cool little situation. And the dynamic between, you'll see, man. Like I said, watch the show. You feel me? Alright. Other view, Shin use. And I'm wondering if they'll drop kits for the other pilots in his unit. Well, maybe not. They'll probably just drop, like, well, I don't know how I don't know how they do it, because all the units are pretty much the same. Only thing different is the logo, the marking. So maybe they could just, you'll be able to in the future just order different markings and just rebuy the same kit or something. I don't know. But yeah. Series, hold on now. There's a little series lineup. The long range cannon situation. Hold on. We ain't seen that. Okay, then they got her little solo figure, you know. No glue required. Of course, I don't like using no glue. I just like snapping Jones together. Yeah, alright. Go ahead and open this good guy up. Hold on, it's running how long, but you know. Oh well. One-handed. Hey, Gundam fan, I know I need a little stand situation. I know it. Alright, here we go. We got a little short story, which I didn't know it was gonna have, but it's cool. A little bit of lore, as it were. You feel me? Pretty cool, the situation. I haven't opened it up. I'll probably read it after I finish the kit itself. And I don't know, maybe we'll do a little reading type of situation. Okay, this is our first crinkly paper set of trees right here. I should see the figure right there. Boom, both of them. Boom. Unpainted. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. There's one. Oh, you can kind of see the, I guess that's the rope for the grappling hooks right there, which is cool. I'm probably not gonna have them deployed, but it's there. There's another tree right here. You see the blades of destruction. You feel me? Yeah. Oh yeah, it's gonna be smooth. Oh, there we go. Undertaker. Alright. And his mark is based on, I'm gonna say a little something. I ain't really no spoiler, but his mark is based on his brother's mark, which instead of it being like a dude holding a shovel, it's like a headless knight. Well, not a headless knight. Yeah, a headless knight, pretty much in this same pose, but instead of the shovel, he's holding a long sword. You feel me? Here we go. Okay, it's a little heavy. It's got a little weight to it right here. You feel me? Oh yeah. What's that red, I wonder? Is the... Hold on. Never mind. I guess we'll see. I had a thought because the long range rifle had that little red on the back end of it, and I'm thinking maybe they got the long range rifle in here also, but I don't know, because Shin doesn't use the long range setup on his unit. So that could either mean, like I said, you just order the same kit and then could maybe get different insignias to put on the side, but I don't. We'll see. I don't know. I'm just rambling at this point. But yeah, this is usually this right here is in like the first page. I ain't gonna say usually. I'm not a veteran at this shit. I don't know how it usually happens. But when I've gotten the book in before, this is like in the first page right here. In the kit I get, you know. And this tripod is for my GoPro situation. It's not this situation. I was thinking about using my session to do it, but hey, and this is a gift. This is a gift. But I was thinking about using my session for it, but I don't know. I feel like there'd just be a lot of work to try to fuse both footages together, and it takes a good amount. It just takes hella long getting the footage off of that GoPro session. And I use my other GoPro, my GoPro Hero 7, on my bike rides, and I'd rather not have model footage on that camera. Anyway, alright, so here we go. The booklet, you know, some more footages. Yeah, the boy Gundam fan probably would paint the fuck out of this, but I'm not. I ain't at that level yet. You feel me? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. There you go. Right there. Little color situations. Let you know the color schemes, as it were. You feel me? This joint gonna be hard. Ooh, boy, and I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I need to really get some shelves up, but it'll maybe go up there on top of my speaker. We'll just have to see how wide it spans out. But I do need some shelving, like ASAP the Mundo. You feel me? Okay. So this is a cockpit assembly. Yeah, cockpit assembly. Okay, yeah. I'll put Shin off in there. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a smooth little build too. It's gonna go pretty smooth. I don't imagine it's taking me more than 2 or 3 hours. You know, not in the least. Look at that. Pow! Throw that gun up on him. Yeah. This little grappling hook assembly. Yeah. Boom, slide the blade out. Thusly, flip it back. Blades of destruction. Holler at your boy. Oh yeah, I'm with it. And this is your M101 assembly right there, and you figure, you know, how to open your cockpit, you know, cockpit, not pitch. But yeah, bro, this is gonna be a fun little build. Video turned out to be a lot longer than I thought it was gonna be, but well, you know. This is the HG Juggernaut, purchased from, like I said, the TheGundamplacestore. Shout out to them guys. It's only like a couple of hours away from where I live, so I still haven't had the opportunity to go up there. But yeah, man, been to unboxing. Now I'm finna rebox it, put it aside, and go ahead and bust down this Shenlong. You feel me?